Hello and welcome again. Now we will install Proteus Professional software. So head and write Proteus Professional in the Google search engine. Then the first result will be Lab Center Electronics. Click OK. Proteus Design Suite 8.6. Proteus combines ease of use with powerful features to help you design, test, and lay out professional PCB like never before, with nearly 800 microcontroller variants ready for simulation straight from the schematic. One of the most intuitive professional PCB layout package. So you can watch a movie about how good is Proteus Professional. Okay. As you can see, device libraries, bus wires, hierarchical design, bills of materials, and supporting lots and lots of microcontrollers. And there is the manual routing features for PCB. So it has many features. Let's go back to the download. Click here in the VSM simulation. Then click on download evaluation. That's it, Proteus Professional demonstration. If you clicked here, the download will start, but since I already have a version of this software, I will install it from the folder that I already have. Okay, you can also search for an earlier version using Google. You can get a full version from Google. But I recommend buying the full version from the company website, since you can get updates and it doesn't have bugs. To install it, it's simple. Just double click on the exe file, then next. Since I already have the software, I'll choose modify, then install. But if you don't have the software, it will ask you for a license key, then it will ask you for the activation. But if you install the demo version from their website, it won't ask you for a license key. So I recommend using this version for this lesson, the demo version. It's the newest version yet, and I will download it so that we can try it together. Anyway, that's it for downloading Proteus Professional demonstration software. If you have any further question, please don't hesitate to ask in the Q&A board. Next, we will add the Arduino libraries to Proteus Professional demonstration software. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering.